Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a exquisite 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom masterpiece for sale. It is located in New Haven Heights, Trelawny, and sits on 14,701 square feet. This impressive property promises a lifestyle of refined luxury and serene living. Some key features include beautifully designed with meticulous attention to detail, 4 spacious bedrooms for comfortable living and privacy, 3 modern bathrooms for added convenience, master bathroom with walk-in closet, balcony with scenic backyard view, spa-like bathroom with jacuzzi and shower, granite countertops and a dishwasher, in-unit laundry with dryer and washer, water heater and water tank with pressure pump, and also a beautifully designed backyard. Don't miss the opportunity to view this remarkable property firsthand. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 579,000 or Jamaican $89.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.